In today's video, I'll show you how to update a Postscript pop-up quickly and easily. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Postscript website. Log into your Postscript account using your email and password or sign in through your connected Shopify store. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left side menu and click on Acquisition. From there, select Pop-ups. This page displays all the pop-ups you've created. Scroll through the list and click on the pop-up you want to update. This will open the pop-up editor where you can make changes to your design and content. Inside the editor, you can update the text, headlines, and button copy to match your current campaign. You can also adjust the pre-headline, headline, and post-headline sections, as well as add or remove any fields you no longer need. If your pop-up includes buttons, forms, quizzes, or product elements, you can modify those as well to better match your audience and goals. Once you've finished making changes, click the Save button in the top right corner to apply your updates. That's it. Your Postscript pop-up has been successfully updated and is now live on your store. Thanks for watching, and keep optimizing your pop-ups for better results.